equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 990. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Conga 990 may experience motor roller failure, which can lead to poor cleaning performance or complete malfunction. This issue often arises from wear and tear or debris accumulation, and if left unaddressed, it can cause further damage to the device. To repair the motor roller, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by safely opening the device, ensuring you disconnect it from the power source. Carefully remove the screws on the back panel using the appropriate screwdriver, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, locate the motor roller, which is typically situated near the bottom of the device. Gently disconnect any cables attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. Remove the failing motor roller by unscrewing it from its mount, applying a moderate amount of force but being cautious not to damage surrounding components. Replace it with a new motor roller, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are secure and correctly positioned. As you reassemble the device, double-check that all screws are tightened and that no tools are left inside. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the motor roller and ensure that no debris builds up around it. This simple maintenance can extend the life of your device significantly. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.